Oh,
How the hell do we get away from that?
truck is going like literally 20 miles an hour.
Damn thing's probably breaking down.
Probably. Or you could just put on the whole. What are you doing over there?
What'd you do?
This truck.
The hell?
Oh my god, I got glass in my shoe.
Oh my god.
Somebody's got to call 911.
Right now.
Oh,
What the hell?
Jerry,
some,
get them through there so they can get out of the house. Because I don't want them in this because we don't know what's going on with the car. Is everybody all right?
Yes. It's a lady.
I have glass in my shoe, but I'm okay. I got it out.
She's staying in the car? Good.
Yeah, somebody call 911.
How did she do that? What the?
You need to flood the area with aid, and you need to have it decentralized at lots of different places, and you need to have it near where people are, so that it's as convenient as possible, and you have it short lines as possible. You don't want hundreds of thousands, tens of thousands, definitely hundreds of thousands of people.
Oh my God, please don't
If you want to have a good meal, right? You don't want them all hungry and miserable. The GHF is not designed to efficiently distribute humanitarian aid. It's designed explicitly for depopulating northern Gaza. And now we can say out loud that the goal of this organization is to entice Palestinians to some places. And so the protest people protest, hashtag on there, hashtag firing, what do we feel? Thankfully, it was the tragic. Then what you got these little boxes that had flour, dry pasta, and some dried beans. Now, think about that. What? It's better than having nothing in your hands. But what do you need to take that to something edible, like water and an energy source, which are also extremely hard to come by deliberately. So, the humanitarian organizations are saying this is deeply inappropriate. Like, this is not the thing you would give to malnourished people. First of all, it's not the kind of nourishment that you need. Like, there are very particular types of food packages that you could give to people who haven't had a decent meal for 2 years.
True by no conditions, this is very out of 1937. So, secondary again on the interstate, the 126 eastbound. TV,
3 out of 1. 7 Charlie 1. Confirm gun larceny.
What?
Shall we transport the CV back to the...
Because you backed up into my...
489.
Okay. Tell the police on the dash cam. You backed into me.
It's too good, man. You're going viral, buddy.
She decided to go on her honeymoon trip to Hawaii anyway and do it solo, but
An hour and a half, yeah.